Many people around the world do not have access to stable, safe, and permanent housing. Some live in temporary shelters, while others stay in overcrowded conditions. When natural disasters occur, homes can be destroyed very quickly, leaving families without a place to live. Rebuilding housing often takes a long time, weeks, months, and sometimes years. During this period, daily life becomes difficult, and access to education, work, and healthcare can be disrupted. A new approach to construction aims to address some of these challenges. 3D printed housing. 3D printed construction uses large-scale machines to build structures layer by layer. Instead of traditional bricks and manual assembly, these printers use specially designed concrete mixtures that are strong and durable. The process is automated and highly precise. A digital design is created in advance, and the printer follows that design to construct the walls of a building. In many cases, the main structure of a house can be completed within 24 hours. This method offers several advantages over traditional construction. First, it is faster. Tasks that usually take several days or weeks, such as building walls, can be completed in a matter of hours. Second, it can reduce labor requirements. While skilled workers are still needed for setup, monitoring, and finishing work like plumbing and electrical systems, fewer people are required during the core building phase. Third, it can lower costs. By reducing construction time and minimizing material waste, 3D printing has the potential to make housing more affordable. Another benefit is design flexibility. Because the structure is created digitally, it is easier to customize layouts and shapes without significantly increasing cost or complexity. Sustainability is also an important factor. 3D printed construction typically uses only the material needed for the structure, which reduces waste. Some systems are also being developed to use recycled or locally sourced materials, which can further reduce environmental impact. These advantages make 3D printed housing especially useful in certain situations. In disaster-affected areas where quick rebuilding is essential, this technology can help provide housing more rapidly. In underserved communities where there is a shortage of affordable homes, it can offer a faster and potentially lower-cost solution. It may also be useful in remote locations where transporting large construction teams and materials is difficult. However, there are still limitations. Not all parts of a home can be 3D printed yet. Finishing work, infrastructure, and regulatory approvals still require time and coordination. In addition, the technology is still developing, and adoption varies by region. Despite these challenges, 3D printed construction is gaining attention as a practical tool for improving access to housing. As the technology continues to evolve, it may become an important part of how homes are built in the future, especially in situations where speed, efficiency, and cost are critical. Ultimately, the goal is not just to build faster, but to make safe and reliable housing more accessible to people who need it. This is the good news for today.